Aloha class. Hope everyone is doing well, that you had a great week. This week we're on lesson 9, ethics, decision-making, organizational culture. We'll start off with some did you know trivia. We'll recap lesson 8. Then we'll talk about the lesson 9 objectives, the assignments that are due for lesson 9, HOA group meeting information, and then one final thought. Did you know that it took Leonardo da Vinci 10 years to paint the Mona Lisa? I did not know that. All right, so Columbia's final mission. That was an interesting one, right? So some of the takeaways and lessons. Beware of biases or assumptions and how they affect our decision making. We saw that throughout the Columbia case, how certain biases affected the decision making that unfortunately led to the tragic ending of the Columbia space mission. An example would be the thought about prove me wrong. There's definitely some assumptions there where the bias is that they're assuming that, hey, what we've come up with is right, so you've got to prove me wrong, which is a dangerous attitude and perspective to take. Next, let's talk about psychological safety, which we first learned about in the Google case. But as an example, the Rocha emails about concerns, right? There was a level of trust that many did not feel like they could speak up because they did not trust the process or the people involved, that they would take any action on the concerns raised. Finally, courage. Sometimes we just have to speak up. It's not easy, and we're often thinking about the risk, to our employment or other factors, but sometimes we just have to have the faith and the courage to speak up. All right, lesson 9 objectives. We're going to be learning about Lance Armstrong. So ethics, decision-making, organizational culture. We're going to understand the power of decisions, analyze poor organizational culture and root causes, and talk about ethics. So the assignments that are due, for lesson 9, so due Tuesday, it's a little different this week. There will be a self-assessment on Lance Armstrong, so that's due midweek. Also, instead of a traditional case paper, what you'll be doing is you're reading the article on Lance Armstrong as well as a Clayton Christensen article on how will you measure your life. Then you'll need to answer the questions on the lesson 9 case study activity discussion board and also have those answers ready to discuss in your group. So in other words, instead of writing a case, there's a list of questions that you'll find that you'll have to answer and post those to the case study activity discussion board, and then use those same answers as part of your HOA discussion that week. Your readings for the 5 dysfunctions of a team will be pages 38 to 78. Now, due on Monday, we'll be having completed your HOA meeting. Make sure you post your reading discussions. As always, the sooner you post, the better. And then make sure you take the self-assessment. So for this week, I'll be meeting with groups 4 and 5. Team leaders, again, you know the drill. Make sure you find the agenda and post the link to the discussion board so everyone knows where to go for the video. And then, as always, take advantage of the meeting time and try to connect everything you've learned so far in the class to this week's discussion. One final thought. One of my favorite scriptures, Jacob 4:10. Seek not to counsel the Lord, but to take counsel from his hand. We always know who knows best for us, and that we should always seek his counsel. All right, everybody. It's good to be with you. Have a great week and see you online. Bye-bye.